Oh. So, Emperor, this is your first time bowling. Are you having a nice time?
Yes.
Where's your score? Oh, this is your second game bowling, too. There's your score. Okay, your turn again. Let me help you with your ball.
When you have to roll the ball, and that's how they spread.
What happens?
You have to roll the ball, and that's how they spread.
Okay. So you're going to roll the ball?
Yes.
That ball is 6 pounds.
6 pounds.
Ooh, that was a nice roll. Emperor, are you going to see if you hit anything? Oh, not that time. Okay, well, you hit something the first time. Emperor?
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 3.
Yeah, you just turned 3 a couple of weeks ago. And there's the ball, your favorite color, orange. You're lucky today.
I could do two of them. I could do like this.
Do you like your shoes?
Yeah. These are my shoes for the game.
Yeah, bowling shoes.
Oh, dude. Come on. Stop.
Okay, my turn.